Hey guys, happy new year. I hope you enjoyed your holiday season, Christmas, New Year, and all the festivities. Here is a vlog of a couple of weeks in my life, showing you guys what I've been up to. Stay tuned because I know you're gonna enjoy this. Subscribe if you have not, and let's get straight into it. So here is a little tour of the Christmas market in Norway Oslo. It's such a beautiful place and a beautiful activity that we get to do during Christmas, the Christmas period. It started all the way from November and it goes all the way to January, and it's many people, like different businesses showcasing and selling Christmas foods, Christmas outfits and decorations, and also activities for kids and adults as well. So it's just a beautiful fun activity to do in winter. The crazy thing is that, let me tell you guys, it's normally so cold during the winter season, the Christmas season, that is December. Like this day, temperatures were minus 15 to minus 16 degrees. And the problem is you're enjoying walking through these stands, buying food, doing all the, enjoying the beauty of all the Christmas decorations, that you forget it's cold and that you've been out for so long. And for example, here my legs had become so cold and numb, I could not walk. It was literally painful. So I came to this fire to try warm up my legs so that at least I can be able to continue walking. It's crazy, guys. The cold in Norway is, just imagine opening a freezer and walking into it. That is how we feel. But it's kind of fun also, to just be in a different environment, and the beauty makes it worth it to walk. I was with my niece and my sister, and they also had an amazing time despite the cold. So yeah, that was the short activity I did this was before Christmas actually. I wanted to do this because on Christmas we were traveling to Kenya, which is also something you're gonna be seeing in this vlog. So we wanted to go to the Christmas market for my niece and for us as well, to enjoy the Christmas market, to have fun before going home to Kenya for Christmas.
Koi, how do you feel? How many degrees is it now? Must be minus 13. Minus 13 or 15? Minus 15 is no joke. Oh my god. At least you have a scarf. Yeah. It's really helpful. But I've learned a lesson. I'll never leave extras. Jel, how do you feel?
I feel like I'm almost frozen. I don't feel my hands. I don't feel my legs. I don't feel none of my body.
I can't feel my mouth. I can't even speak well. Have you ever felt cold until you can't speak? My hand is painful. My mouth is not moving the way it should move.
After feeling that cold, I was so ready to leave Norway.
The day is finally here and I am so excited. We are already packed up and ready to go to the airport. We have so much luggage, all these bags and some more over there.
This was the outfit of the day. Kept it simple, and let me tell you guys, I can't even explain the joy of going home after 1.5 years. I've never been away from my family that long. Oh my god, I was so happy. So this is us going to check in. We were using Qatar Airways. I love Qatar Airways for many reasons, because first of all, there's a day I think my brother-in-law had been delayed and he got a compensation of like a very good amount for just being delayed. So for that reason, we stick to Qatar Airways. We just feel it's safer and they're comfortable, and it's a good airline. So we managed to check into the plane. Yeah, and we took off. So we only had one stopover in Qatar. Yeah, and this is us just getting the meals. I don't know whether you guys do the same, but like when I get into the flight, I'm not able to fully rest until like they've brought the meals and I've eaten. Then after eating, it's when I can relax and sleep or watch a movie. Yeah, this particular day, by the way, I watched a movie which was really nice. It was called Family Camp. Family Camp was such a nice movie, kept me entertained for a couple of hours. So this is us from when we touched down in Qatar. We took the bus to take us to the airport. Qatar is such a huge airport. So here we actually went to the duty-free shops. There are so many, yani. If you have time when you're in Qatar, the airport has so many things. We got a perfume for my sister. And this is us in Kenya. Actually, this was the first time me like in the Jomo Kenyatta airport exiting internationally. It was quite interesting. I didn't know our airport looked like that. But yeah, this is us finally home.
I think I'll sugar rush. I think I'm starting to have sugar rush. I think I'm going to turn red.
Look at the sun. I can't believe I'm home. Jen is so excited. First, let's take out our bags. Hi, Fanaka. It's so nice to see. Where is everyone else? You guys even have a Christmas tree. Oh, the house is so pretty. Wow. Oh my boys. What is it? I came back. Feels so good to be home. Can't believe it. So my sisters had come and my nieces and nephews, and it was amazing to just, catch up. And guys, they had really decorated the house nicely. So in case you're interested in these beautiful frames, wall decor you were seeing here, this key holder thingy, all these beautiful things, my sister does them. I will leave her number here for you guys. She also made this photo collage of my favorite memories from Norway so far, and I loved it. So she can also do that for you if you are interested. How cute is my niece? So glad to meet her for the first time ever.
We agreed time by time. Yeah, but you said day by day.
One of the foods I had really missed is sausages, and I think everyone in Norway misses Kenyan sausages because the sausages we have there are quite different. So I was so excited to find some. We also had corn, boiled maize and samosas, and then my sister had done a cake for a welcome home cake. So we cut it in the evening during dinner with the rest of the family. The next day, first thing first was to go to the salon to get out my hair, the old hair, and get a proper wash and blow dry, the luxuries that I don't get to enjoy in Norway. And I did some cornrows in preparation for, we were going to go to Mombasa for holiday. So me and my sisters did cornrows, just keep it simple. Then we did our nails. It's like living in luxuries that you don't enjoy. I had not done this in a year in Norway. So that was it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and keep it locked for the Mombasa vacation vlog. Until the next one, kwaheri.